This engine has low power. I'm going to show you how it runs. And I'm going to accelerate it because it's got a cable right here. Good old days. I can accelerate it right here. It doesn't have a throttle actuator valve to, they're like a motor in the throttle body to actuate it. I can do it right here. It's cable driven. All right, let's start it. It starts weird, and when you accelerate it, I'm gonna switch the microphone. You'll see how you'll hear better how it idles. This vehicle idles okay, but under acceleration, this is what it does. It accelerates poorly, and it has low power. Because I see that these the spark plugs they have carbon on them, they're dark. That tells me that it's getting too much fuel. And something that really regulates this fuel is this fuel pressure regulator right here. I'm going to replace the fuel pressure regulator because that tells me that the pressure regulator is not really regulating the fuel that's getting into the cylinders. Of course, we could have the injectors not doing a good job either, but I already pulled those injectors. I looked at them. Everything looks good. So let's go ahead and swap this fuel pressure regulator. And this 2002 Rav4, no electronics, nothing. It's just a mechanical piece. Let's go ahead and replace this guy. This is the fuel line where the fuel pressure regulator came from. This is the old one. As I said, no electronics. This is an 02 model. Nothing in there at all. So, and if you blow through here, it just, there's no restriction in the old one. And it's the same as the new one. But it's when the pressure builds up. Got a few kids around here. The pressure builds up, then mechanically it restricts it. So it regulates the amount of fuel that's flowing through it and into the injectors. So that's the new one, and this is the original one. This vehicle almost has 200,000 miles on it. So let's go ahead and replace this thing, and I'll give you the feedback. All right, the new regulator is in. We can already feel and see the difference. We can hear the difference in the acceleration. This engine didn't used to rev this high. The test drive was great. So I'll show you right now because I can accelerate it here. And this thing didn't used to accelerate this high, and it was indeed a fuel pressure regulator. I love this, but there is no electronic to tell you that the fuel pressure regulator is not performing well, and it was letting too much fuel get into the cylinders because the spark plugs were really dark. That was really the giveaway for me because this engine was running too rich, and I'm glad we fixed it. The owner went to the shop. They couldn't find the problem, and he's my neighbor. I decided to help. Hope this helped out. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.